Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will join Coinmarketcap's event and stand a chance to win 1 Ethereum. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And now let's just jump straight into our video. As you've probably heard it so far, the biggest milestone for Ethereum is coming, the merge. The merge will basically mark the end of proof of work for Ethereum and the full transition to proof of stake. It will set the stage for future scaling upgrades like sharding and will reduce Ethereum's energy consumption by an astonishing 99.95%. And to celebrate this big event, CoinMarketCap created a competition for us to stand a chance to win 1 Ethereum. So let's have a look at the details now. So here are the full steps, and let's complete it step by step. The step 1, post your thoughts on the Ethereum Merge on the CoinMarketCap community with the CoinMarketCap Ethereum Merge hashtag. So let's first complete this. So for this, open up your CoinMarketCap account, and if you don't have a CoinMarketCap account, you can create one with the link in the description box below, and also you can check out our CoinMarketCap tutorial video from the cards. And then click on community. And as you can see, now we're gonna create a post here with this hashtag and post it. So let's just say, I just typed down Ethereum Merge is amazing, can't wait to see it. Now let's add our hashtag. Let's just copy this hashtag and paste it on our post and then post it. So as you can see, we posted it. In the final step, it will ask us to copy the link of this post and paste it. So I will not close this page. Step 2. Post your thoughts on Twitter with the CoinMarketCap Ethereum Merge hashtag, and this one must include backlinks to this page. So let's now complete the step 2. So as you can see, I did exactly the same thing. I wrote Ethereum Merge is amazing, can't wait to see it, and I added the hashtag. But as I said, this time we will have to copy this page's link and paste it on our Twitter post. So let's paste it and tweet it. So as you can see, we copied and pasted our post on Twitter too. And lastly, the step 3. Complete all 16 questions of the quiz and cross your fingers. So let's now have a look at the quiz. Let's start the quiz. Let's click on next and verify that we are a human. Let's choose the traffic lights and verify. Now on here, you have to input your CoinMarketCap email address. You can find this here. Just open up your CoinMarketCap, click on this and click on settings to see your email address. And here, input your Binance user ID. CoinMarketCap asks you to input this because if you win, your rewards will be sent to this Binance account. So click on here. You can see how you can find this Binance user IDs. If you don't have a Binance account, you can create one with the links in the description box below and learn how to use Binance from the video in the cards. Just watch our Binance tutorial video to learn how you can use Binance from scratch. And then after creating your account, just click on this profile button and you will see your user ID here. Just copy this and paste it on here. And then we will have to copy our community profile and paste it on here. So let's now do that. Open up your CoinMarketCap and click on view my profile. And after that, just copy this link and paste it on here. So in this step, guys, as you can see, CoinMarketCap has a bug. In the full steps, it says CoinMarketCap Ethereum Merge hashtag will be enough. But on this page, it also asks us to add the Ethereum Merge landing page. So to guarantee it, we will make a new post. And as you can see, I just typed down the same thing. Ethereum Merge is amazing, can't wait to see it. I added our hashtag CoinMarketCap Ethereum Merge, and I also added the link of this web page. So to guarantee it, as I said, CoinMarketCap has a bug here, but to guarantee it, just make sure to add the link too. Now let's post this. Click on this post, copy the link of your post and paste it on here. Now let's copy the link of our Twitter post and paste it here too. So as you can see, I open up my Twitter post. Let's copy the link and paste it here. Now let's click on next. So I will quickly show you the answers. The first one, the Ethereum Merge will reduce gas fees on the network by approximately how much? This is 0%. The Ethereum Merge will not reduce the gas fees on the network. The second question is every 12 seconds. Following the Ethereum Merge, how long will it take for a new block to be generated? It will take 12 seconds. The Ethereum Merge will reduce transaction times on the network by approximately how much? 10%. Which of the following are possible actions that Ethereum miners might undertake following the merge? Transition to other GPU mined proof-of-work coins like Ethereum Classic, dedicate their hardware to other GPU-intensive activities such as machine learning or rendering farms, potentially fork proof-of-work Ethereum, which will allow miners to continue their operations, but it will not allow them to shift their operations to Bitcoin mining. So the first 3 and click on next. What is the current proof-of-stake beacon chain staking reward APR? It's 4.1%. When can staked Ethereum be withdrawn after the merge, after the Shanghai upgrade? How much Ethereum do you need to run your validator? It's 32 Ethereums. If you do not own 32 Ethereum, what options do you have to participate in validating the network? Pooled staking, staking on centralized exchanges, and run a node that does not propose blocks, still supporting the network by listening for new blocks to verify them. Now let's click on next. In what order was the Ethereum Merge rolled out on Ethereum public testnets? It's Robston, Sepolia, and Goerli. Following the merge, what is the order of upgrades that Vitalik Buterin announced for the network? It's the last option: Surge, Verge, Purge, and Splurge. We have to agree with the Coinmarketcap terms and conditions, and after agreeing the terms and conditions, just submit the test. And then scroll down to this part and click on I'm not a robot, choose the motorcycles and verify and submit form. So as you can see, after completing the form, it will direct you to this page and you will also be notified on your email. They will send you an email to confirm that your entrance is accepted. And as you can see, these are the rewards. The first place will get 1 Ethereum, the second place will get 0.1 Ethereum, and the third place will get 0.01 Ethereum. And all of the participations and all of the ones who answered all the quiz correctly will get 200 diamonds. And as you know, you can spend all these diamonds to get rewards on the Coinmarketcap's diamond store. You can also check out our Coinmarketcap diamond system video from the cards. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos like this. And I also suggest you to check out our website from the links in the description box below too. You can find all the necessary links of each video. You can find the prices of different cryptocurrencies. You can find our blog and Bitcoin and airdrop platform, and you can also see the latest news from our blog. So I definitely suggest you to check out our website from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.